check this out. I got this little cordless vacuum off of Amazon. Kind of I would say, I guess the brand is like DRECELL, but it looks just like a generic. There's probably a bunch of different companies that make it, but look how I have this food tray thing that I got off Amazon also, you know, right there, and it has this hole, and it's really for a fountain drink. But look what it does with this vacuum. Perfect. And look, I got my little charger right there, so if there's ever any little fast cleanups I need to do, it's right there. Here, I'll turn it on. Ugh. Hold it down. That's just normal. And there's like turbo modes. Too bad I already cleaned, but look, I got a little mess right here. Let's see if I can clean it up. Shit. That's one thing. The one thing I don't like about this is where the button is, because when I'm using it, my thumb wants to, you know, be there for leverage, and it's hitting the button to turn it off. So I gotta kind of hold it funny. And that cleans it up pretty good. A little brush. Shit. Let's see if I can find anything else to clean. Okay, found a little area I didn't clean. So got some crumbs and, you know, random stuff. Let's see. Turn on turbo mode. I think in this instance I'll use it without the brush part. Here we go. See if I got some on my seat. No, pretty clean. A little bit of dog hair. Yeah. Like I said, I already cleaned before I did this video, but one thing that I did do, having this brush attachment, I cleaned off all my buttons in my truck. You know, they get dusty. It's an easy way to do it without pushing the buttons if you're, you know, using a rag with your hand and you're using too much pressure, you know. But yeah, I'm hooked on this thing. I can tell when you're doing it on turbo mode, the battery doesn't last a whole long time. But I mean, if you get this for quick pickups, you're not going to use this to do a whole truck, you know. But it'll last a little bit longer on, like I said, the shorter, eco-friendly. And I'll show you what it came with. So it came with this little attachment here. This comes off. Hold on. There you go. Comes off. Comes with an extra filter and like a cover for it. So there's the extra filter. Came with the charger. And this little cap is pretty cool when you don't have the brush attachment on. Makes it look pretty sleek little vacuum. But I'm actually probably gonna buy one to keep at my house maybe even two, one for my car, one for the wife's car. I mean, it's really that awesome, being that you can charge it with a phone charger. But yeah, that's my review. I'd give this thing 5 stars. I'll definitely buy it again. About $30, and yeah, thanks.